Hello everyone, welcome to Metaverse Insider. In this video, you will learn Oculus Quest 2 tutorial series on how to create Oculus Quest 2 Virtual Guardian, how to set up Oculus Quest 2 fit pack for a comfortable fit, how to wear your Oculus Quest 2 headset properly, how to set up casting in Oculus Quest 2, and how to install Elite strap with battery and without battery. So let's roll on. How to set up Oculus Quest 2 Virtual Guardian. Oculus Virtual Guardian is a built-in safety feature that lets you set up boundaries in VR that appear when you get too close to the edge of your play area. This allows for the user to move around an area safely, avoiding accidents like walking into walls or furniture. If you want to redraw your boundary, you can do so at any time. Whether you move furniture or want to expand your space, you can easily update or replace your Guardian. Oculus Quest 2 allows you to set up your boundaries in different modes. Your space and preference will dictate which mode works best for you. You can play games in a room scale with the ability to walk around in the play area, or in stationary mode sitting or standing in one place. Room scale works best 6.5 by 6.5 feet of space or larger. Evaluate your space and determine which mode works best. First, let's find a play area in a well-lit room and clear as much space as possible. Remove any obstacles which you might collide with while you are in your virtual environment, and take note of any overhead hazards. Avoid use of the headset in near or under objects, pets, or other things that could cause injury. The first step in Guardian setup is to calibrate tracking by setting the floor. To calibrate and set the height of the floor, gently lower your controller to the ground and look at it. You should see a virtual grid appear near the floor. Once the grid is correctly at the floor level, hit continue. Remember to always wear your touch controller wrist straps when using VR. When setting up Guardian for the first time, you should see what we call Passthrough. Passthrough is a feature which allows you to take a quick look at the outside world to help you get oriented in space while wearing the device. Passthrough is essential for creating your play area. Next, it's time to define your play area. Defining your play area will help Guardian notify you if you start to move outside of it. Point the controller and use the trigger button on the controller to trace a play area. Be sure to leave extra space between your play area and your walls, furnitures, and other obstructions. You can skip this if you don't want to walk around in VR and just want to use the Oculus Quest 2 in a stationary seated or stationary standing position. Once you hit continue, you will see the blue Guardian boundary tracing your play area. You will get a warning if you get too close to the edge of this area or step outside. Check that this boundary is correctly positioned and clear of any obstructions. If Guardian is not drawn correctly, or you want to change the size or shape of the boundary, click the back arrow to start the Guardian setup. Following the correct setup of Virtual Guardian is important to your safety while using your VR. Oculus Quest 2 Fit Pack helps improve your fit and increase immersion. The Fit Pack includes 2 light blockers and 2 alternate size facial interfaces with corresponding silicone covers for cleanliness and comfort. The wide interface uses less foam to allow for a more accommodating fit for wider cheekbones. I will show you how to set up your Oculus Quest 2 Fit Pack and how to adjust your Quest 2 headset for a comfortable fit and immersive experiences. The Oculus Fit Pack gives you the ability to find the most comfortable fit for your headset. Included in the Fit Pack are the 2 additional foam interfaces, wide facial interface and narrow facial interface. To get started finding the most comfortable fit for your headset, remove the standard facial interface foam that came pre-installed. Select either the wide or narrow facial interface. Install the interface by pushing gently until it snaps into place. Oculus recommends using the headset with the new facial interface for 30 minutes. Then, select the one that is most comfortable. The ideal interface minimizes pressure on your forehead and cheeks. Remember, if you wear glasses, you still need to use the glasses spacer even you choose the different interface size. The light blocker will block out unwanted light that can enter under the nose area of the headset. The left and right black lights are the same and interchangeable. Start by inserting the right light block. The hard plastic side attaches over the lenses inside the headset. The taller silicone portion should be aligned towards your nose. When the left light block is attached, it will snap in a place and should not fall off if you move the headset. Repeat with the left leg block, and again be careful to align taller silicone portion towards where your nose will be. For the first time after installing the light block, put your headset on carefully. The light block will protrude on a little and are designed so that they can press up against your face directly. You can tighten the head strap to make the seal between the light block and your face, or loosen it if they are pressing against your face uncomfortably. Remember to read and follow the health and safety information provided with the fit pack before use. Next is how to wear your headset properly so you can have a comfortable fit. Here is an important tip on how to properly wear your headset. The picture is clear and the headset is comfortable. First, gently adjust the lenses by shifting them left and right until it clicks into the position that makes the picture clear for you. There are 3 lenses spacing settings. They are numbered 1, 2, and 3. Next, it's time to adjust the strap. Adjust the side strap first, then put on the headset and adjust the top strap. You can further improve the clarity by gently moving the firm arms of either side of the headset up and down to adjust the angle of the headset against your face. You will know that the headset is worn correctly when it is resting slightly on your face and the picture appears clearly. To set up casting in Oculus Quest 2. Casting allows you to share what you are seeing in VR headset with others around you. You can cast to your computer, phone, or supported Chromecast device or TV. Your phones or tablets must meet the supported Chromecast device requirements. Before you begin casting, make sure your headset and casting device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Keep in mind that some apps may not allow casting. Oculus Quest 2 gives you the ability to cast, letting you share what you see in the headset with a friend. You can cast your VR picture to a mobile phone compatible TV or compatible casting enabled device. In order to cast, you will need the Oculus app handy. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your headset. Then, navigate to the cast button on the top right of the app menu tab. Next, you will be prompted to select which device you want to cast from and where you want to cast to. If you don't have a casting enabled TV, you can cast to your mobile phone instead. Once you select which device to cast to, there will be a confirmation prompt in your headset. Your phones or tablets must meet the supported Chromecast device requirements. I will show you how to install the Oculus Quest 2 Elite straps with battery and the Elite straps without battery. The Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap with battery is an adjustable head strap designed for improved ergonomics and comfort. The built-in battery doubles your playtime, letting you stay focused from the first step to the final mission. The Elite strap with battery has several components: the right side strap, left side strap, top strap, battery cable, charging port, cable clip, and the adjustable rear fifth wheel and rear brace. To attach the Elite strap with battery to your Quest 2 headset, start by gently pulling up the facial interface foam that came with the headset. Next, carefully detach the soft strap from the headset arms by placing your finger on the back of the strap plastic casing. Pulling out away from the headset will slightly ease downward to unsnap from the headset. Unsnap both sides. Next, unfasten the top strap and pull it through the bracket in the front of the headset. Extend the Elite side strap by turning the rear fifth wheel to the left. This will link to the straps and make it easier to attach them. Then, attach the Elite with battery side strap to your Quest 2, starting from the front of the headset. Hook the strap side to the arm of the headset and snap on by gently applying pressure down the link of the strap. After the side straps are attached, thread the front strap through the front bracket and fasten it. Finally, reinsert the facial interface foam and snap it into place. Plug the cable from Elite strap with battery into the head strap USB-C port. Then, connect one end of the Quest 2 power cable into the USB-C charging port at the back of the Elite strap and the other end into a Quest 2 power adapter. This will charge both the Elite strap with battery and Quest 2. As long as the Elite strap is plugged in into the headset, no need to charge them individually. Only charge your headset and the Elite strap with battery with an approved power adapter and cable. It is important to adjust the Elite straps with battery for every new user that wears it. A proper fit will help ensure that the headset is resting comfortably in your face and the picture is clear. For best fit, follow these steps. Place the headset with the straps in your head and ensure that the rear brace is cradling the back on your head. Tighten the overhead strap so it is supporting the weight of the device. After the top strap is supporting the weight of the device and the rear brace is cupped at the base of your head, twist the rear fifth wheel to loosen or tighten the side strap until the headset fits nicely and comfortably. Next is how to install Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap without battery. The Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap is an adjustable head strap designed for improved ergonomics and comfort. The Elite strap has several components: the right side strap, left side strap, top strap, and the adjustable rear fifth wheel and rear brace. To attach the Elite strap to your Quest 2 headset, start by gently pulling up the facial interface foam that came with headset. Next, carefully detach the soft strap from the headset arms by placing your finger on the back of the strap plastic casing. Pulling it away from the headset slightly is downward to unsnap from the headset. Unsnap both sides. Next, unfasten the top strap and pull it through the bracket in the front of the headset. Extend the Elite side strap by turning the rear fifth wheel to the left. This will link to the straps and make it easier to attach them. Then attach the Elite side strap to your Quest 2, starting from the front of the headset. Hook the strap side to the arm of the headset and snap on by gently applying pressure down the link to the strap. After the side straps are attached, thread the front strap through the front bracket and fasten it. Finally, reinsert the facial interface foam and snap it into place. It is important to adjust the Elite straps for every new user that wears it. Proper fit will help ensure that the headset is resting comfortably in your face and the picture is clear. For best fit, follow these steps. Place the headset with the straps in your head and ensure that the rear brace is cradling the back on your head. Tighten the overhead strap so it is supporting the weight of the device. After the top strap is supporting the weight of the device and the rear brace is cradling at the base of your head, twist the rear fit wheel to loosen or tighten the side strap until the headset fits nicely and comfortably. Remember to read and follow the health and safety information provided with the Elite straps with battery and Elite straps without battery before use. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I do hope you learned from this video. See you in the metaverse.